Hey, what's up everybody? Just wanted you to check this out. Paul's Leather Company out of Connecticut, rebinds and also covers Bibles in really high quality leather. And so I sent out my journaling Bible and they sent it back this week. And so check it out. So this is my Bible that I had done. I've been using for a little bit. I bought with the purpose of sending it off because it's a larger print NIV journaling Bible, and they didn't offer that particular one has already bounced. So you can send them your Bible. They'll send it back with the new cover in this nice box and unwrapping. So check this out. So Paul's Leather Company, check them out. Just amazing work. It's pretty cool.